Hey, what's going on everybody? Today we are going to be doing some more long exposures with the Mavic Air 2. And I'm pretty stoked because I've never actually tried this out yet. I've only tried it out during the daytime, but obviously we're going to be shooting it at night this time. And we're going to try and get some headlight trails and just kind of see what we can get. If you haven't seen my video on how to take long exposures with the Mavic Air 2, you can go check out this video right here. But I'm going to be doing a brief overview in this video, so feel free to stick around if you're not exactly sure how to do it. I'll be going over it again. One thing about this is you don't actually need an ND filter when you're shooting at night, so if you didn't buy the Fly More combo, you can actually take these photos as well. Anyway, let's just get the drone up and see what we can get. Okay, so once you have your shot framed, we're gonna go over here to the bottom right corner and click on that auto, and that's gonna change it to manual. First, make sure you're in photo mode, because that's what we're doing here. So make sure you're there, and then we'll change our shutter all the way down to, we will start with 3 seconds. And just make sure that your ISO is at 100 or the lowest that it can possibly go. And then we're gonna switch our controller, I hope that's in focus, to tripod mode. All right, so now that it's in tripod mode, we have the right settings set up, so we're just going to click the shutter button. So boom, it's gonna take a picture, and like we set it for, it's gonna be a 3-second photo. So it's gonna take just a few seconds to take the photo, and then we can go and look at what our photo looks like. So boom, so that actually looks pretty cool. I think I'm gonna have to change it to longer. It'll definitely look better after being edited, but for now that's pretty solid. I actually think I wanna do it a little bit longer, so I'm actually gonna change it to 7. Actually, I'm gonna change it to 5 because that seems a little bright, and then we're gonna go ahead and push the shutter again. Boom, so it's done. Again, we'll go hit play and we'll check it out. All right, so cool. We got a little bit more lines going here. We got a bus. I'm going to go to a bit of a busier road now, and so we can get a few more of these light trails. So I'm just gonna go ahead, pilot over to another spot. Alright, so I like this spot. We've got the building at the side. So we're gonna go ahead and switch back over to photo mode. Obviously switch it back from auto. And we'll take the shutter up to 8 seconds and just kind of see how that looks. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, that looks pretty cool. So as you can see, the drone's moving a little bit. I think it's fairly windy up there. So if you are shooting in the wind, just be careful. Really make sure you're in tripod mode, because that is what is gonna keep your drone as still as possible, and that's what's gonna make these long exposures as clear and as sharp as possible. Alright guys, so I'm actually pretty happy with how a lot of these turned out. It ended up being a lot better than I thought it was going to be, so I'm really excited to get home and edit these. You've already seen the edited ones, but I'm excited to get those going. Anyway, that's going to do it for this video. You guys should definitely go try this. If you have a Mavic Air 2, just go test it out. I'm pretty sure the Mavic Mini even has tripod mode, so I would just give it a shot. Like, it's a ton of fun, great way to spend an evening. I would highly recommend it, and it's super easy. Be very cautious of where you're flying and how you're flying, and what you're flying around. Just be very cautious of what you're doing, where you are, all that stuff, and you'll be fine. Anyway, my next video is gonna be more of kind of like a cinematic style video, so we'll see how it turns out, but I'm kind of excited for it, and I hope you guys will enjoy it as well. But anyways, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a thumbs up. It lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this, and I'll keep doing them. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Later. you.